Alright. Let's see. I have my stand. There. I already added oil. That's not good. Take out a scraper with this thing. Just scrape off this burnt mess. Holy cow, it's really stuck. Scrape off this. There we go. This is disgusting. Check it out. Yeah, there's a spider. There's a spider in here. There was. There probably still is. Look. Ew. Ew, do you see that? Oh, that's disgusting. Ooh. I'm gonna kill it. There's a... Now that that's done, okay. Now take a tissue. This, just simply wipe away all the burnt excess. Okay, now we can go back to cooking. Re-oil the pan. Turn on the heat. Too high. And turn on the fan. You have our egg. Just gonna crack it into here. Oh, that's so broken. eat it, but we're not gonna put it in our ramen. Cover it with the lid. While we're at it, I'm gonna take out my plate. So I'm gonna use for that egg. Then this bowl for the ramen. I think. No, actually, I think I have a prettier bowl. Right here. This is the bowl for ramen. This type is quite nasty. It looks nasty. So, to ensure it all fits, first I'm going to break it up, unless it can fit, which it can. First of all, of course, take my little crumbs, put it in here, because who doesn't want the crumbs? Good idea to start lifting this down. This needs separating, which means take it, empty it all in here, and look for the mystery meat chunks. While I'm at this, I'm going to lower this to simmer at 2, while also lowering the fan, ensuring it doesn't burn. Taking out the mystery meat bits from my ramen, because who's gonna tell me that there's nutritional factor in here? Because that's right. Take that out on the side. And I'm gonna add in my sauce, which kind of looks gross and disgusting. But it's not, I promise. I promise you it's edible. This will go off. Turn off this. Squeeze in the sauce for my ramen. I don't have any fish cakes, so that's gonna be sad. Squeeze it in. Off it. Boom. Take this off the heat. Now I'm done that. Throw it out. Take my ramen. Also the little bits. Go here. There's a bug, so I don't trust the table. I found a spider, which is not good. We do clean regularly. We just don't know why there's some spider. I'm gonna move this off. Not metal. Simply take off the charred bits. That was best. I'm gonna assume that the chopstick hasn't been tampered with by the spider. But I don't trust the table. You can find me weird for this, I don't care. Alright, the egg goes in. Drain the oil from the egg, because nobody wants an oily egg. It's kind of nasty, but it's okay. This is our egg on the side. Now we're gonna cook another egg for the ramen. And since this is already hot, I'm not going to turn on the heat yet. With this one, I'm going to crack carefully. Alright, cover it with the lid. Start on medium heat. Well, I also just this come here to look at the light. Now I wait, and while I'm waiting, I'm gonna add the boiling water into here to create the ramen. Just soup and chicken noodle. Still a bit that heavy. Just that. Alright. Move this to the side. And let this boil. While we wait, we check on this. Which I'll take the lid off now. Take out a spatula for this because I want it to come out perfect. Which I'm going to just use to stir it around a bit. Hi. Well, at the same time, I wait, put back the lid on, and now we wait. The oil from my spatula. We'll also stir around this ramen just to make sure it all cooks. You can smell it from here. It's a very good smell. Take out a spoon for this. It can go off. It's done. About done. So I can take it off the heat now. I'll also clean down that and put that on to my ramen. Which I'll move this. Put this on. And I messed up. Well, I'm not using that anymore. Flip this back around. Hopefully that cooks itself. But yeah, this is gonna be our lunch. I'm gonna take out some seaweed. Ethan, do we have any more seaweed? Yes, we do. Have that, and yeah, bye.